Alright guys, it is time to pick the winner of the Steam baskets. But first, I want to cover a few things. One, just in case you guys didn't know, I have an Instagram account and I would love it if you went over there and followed me. I pretty much post something at least every day, if not every other day. So if you miss me between videos, go ahead and follow me there. I also have a Facebook and a Twitter. And also guys, my son Aiden is here to tell you to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Also guys, don't forget I do have a merch site if you would like to buy some t-shirts or some purses or some coffee mugs. You can go over there and it helps support my channel as well. Alright guys, so my son Tristan is going to pick the winners like usual. So Tristan, do you want to pick through the hat?
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah? Can you read it?
Kristen Rose, 72.
Kristen Rose, 72. You are the winner. Oh, but wait, there is more. We get to pick 2 more winners. All right.
Rams Fam 19.
Ooh, that is a good channel. You guys gotta check it out. I met them in Vegas.
Joyce Romero.
Woohoo, you are the 3rd winner. So congratulations all of you guys. So all you do is have to message me and send me your address and information. You can send it email or find me on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.
Bye.